Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get music sticker on Instagram. So let's open Instagram. Now long press on your story button. Then you will see this pop-up. Now tap on add to your story. Now you will be directed to your story camera. You can browse a picture from your gallery or you can take a picture. So let's take a picture. Now tap on the sticker button on the top of the screen and you will see this pop-up. Now in this pop-up you should see music. I can't see the music button here because this music feature is not available in my region. Okay, so let me show you how you can get this music feature. So let's go to Play Store. Now let's search for Instagram. And now let's remove this version of Instagram. Okay, and we are done. Okay, now let's go back and we have to open a VPN. I have one VPN, this called INF VPN. Let's open this app. Okay, now tap to connect. Make sure you are connected to United States or UK or Australia. Okay, it will take a second. Okay, so as you can see we are connected to United Kingdom. Okay, now let's go back to Play Store again. Okay, and search for Instagram. Now let's install Instagram again. Okay, and we are almost done. Okay, now let's open Instagram. Okay, let's log in. I log in with my Facebook. Okay, now here you have to tap on your story button and you will see the pop-up add new story. So tap there and go to the story camera. So here in story camera we have to take a picture. You can browse a picture from gallery also. And now on the top of the screen you can see the sticker button. Tap there and as you can see we got the music feature. Now tap on the music button. So here in the screen you can see all the available music and you can choose from this different category and you have a search button also. Sorry guys, I can't play the music here because it might be a copyright strike. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this music feature on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.